What do you call a person who regularly uses cannabis in the water? A hydrostoner. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. Today we're gonna make a pure white Hydrostone cement candle jar. You ready to get started? Let's go. Hydrostone has a 3-to-1 ratio, so I'm gonna take 125 grams of water and place that into my mixing bowl. Then I'm gonna sift in 380 grams of Hydrostone. I do not wanna dump it in, I want to sift it in slowly. Then, after that's complete, I'm going to wait 5 minutes so that my Hydrostone creates a dry bed lake effect. Why? The reason we want to make a dry bed lake effect is so that the Hydrostone absorbs the water. After that's complete, I'm going to stir it up thoroughly so that there are no lumps or clumps in my mixture. Then, I'm going to add my mixture to my silicone mold that's already waiting on my vibrating machine. As you can see, I have a lid, so I'm going to add my mixture to my lid, and once that's complete, I'm going to wait a total of 30 minutes until I demold my Hydrostone cement pure white candle jar. I'll be back in 30 minutes. Don't go anywhere. All right, a half hour has passed, and now it's time to demold my pure white Hydrostone cement candle jar. The best part about Hydrostone is that it's 83% faster to demold than Cementol candle jars. Isn't that nuts? 83%. That's fast. And here is my Hydrostone cement pure white candle jar that only took 30 minutes to demold. This thing is already solid. It's awesome. It still needs 2 more days to cure before I put on some Earth Safe Finishes Quick Dip Sealer, but that's how it works in the concrete candle making world. And in case you were wondering how it looks outside of just a pure white, take a look at all of these awesome candle jars that I've already created using Hydrostone along with various color pigments. Aren't they awesome? They came out sweet. I just love Hydrostone. And take a look at these videos that are popping up now. They're going to help you on your candle making journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.